No think.
You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. Know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug and the wire.
Yes, last night, unfortunately, she was talking back to me, and one of the females kind of slapped her pretty hard. Because she was just out of line. So one of the felines kind of smacked her pretty hard in her face, like. And she kind of like, I don't know who did it, I forgot. In my mind, I thought it was someone that smacked her, or a hand that came out of nowhere and just smacked her face completely. And
snatching a charger, my nigga, a charger out of my hand, saying, "Oh, is that your charger? Did you came with this charger?" I said, "No, I didn't come with this one, but I came with a charger and I can't find it because people have been using it. I don't know where it is at." So they snatched the charger out of my hand. I'm like, "Did Baba G tell you to do this?" So I was going to go upstairs to go to Baba G. Queen Malia comes out and tells me to go back downstairs. And I'm just like, y'all bitches just jealous. I'm just thinking that in my mind. Like, so I just started going at this point. I didn't make no problem. I didn't cause no issue. I ain't cussed them out. Nothing. I just said, I'm going. And I'm rolling my shit out the door at this point with my shoes off. And I'm getting to the car. And that's when they said, Baba G is calling you. God is calling you. Will you answer the call? So I go back inside. To tell him bye. And I hug him and he says, "I love you." And I said, "I love you too." And that's when he started taking me into the other room. And I said, "No, stop. Like, I really gotta go at this point. Like, then my Uber's outside." So he takes me into the other room. And I start crying in his arms. Because I don't know, I was just emotional. Everything was just like piling up on me. The Uber done left me, so I felt like I was trapped there again. And I was like, oh my God, like I just missed the Uber, like. And he's telling me, "I'm not gonna let you go. You know, you're my bitch, you're my property." And I'm telling him, like, "You're gonna have to let me go." I'm telling him, "You're gonna have to let me go." He's like, "You think I can't let you go?" And at this point, I'm looking at him in the eyes, and me being dumb, I got manipulated back in. Literally, like, I couldn't resist him in that moment. In that moment, I was really vulnerable, and he knew exactly what to say to me to help have me stay there with him. And yeah, we did make love in that moment. I didn't want to like resist him. I didn't want to like, because any of that, because it was just like, if I felt like if I was going to resist him and I already had done left, the Uber done left, and my friend is calling me like back to back, asking me if I'm okay. And I'm just like being a stupid ass, like letting him manipulate me back into the situation and allowing him to have sex with me. So at this point, I'm just like, oh my God, I'm stupid as fuck, because I'm a sucker for fucking love. Like, he knows exactly what to do to get me back.
So that's what we're going to give you. I mean, there's no point in talking about Natiri anymore, because Natiri is just a symbol of black women being against their own man. Nateri is just a symbol of white supremacy being utilized as much as possible.
I know you lying.
It's not real power. Ain't nobody lock up 3 God. No, you can't lock that mind up. You can't lock that up. No.
Lost. Human are lost.
Nobody's locked up like that. You better believe that anything that's happening right now is we're allowing it to happen. Here you go. How you doing?
So you allowing him to be locked up?
You see how they treat it. Well, why don't you talk to them? Everybody has opinions. Everybody got things that they want to say. But look, talk to us. Talk to the women. Get in touch. Get involved.
They lost without
all y'all just watchers. It's fine. I get it. But this is real life. And bigger than anything, what it seems like we're doing is separate of you. We're creating. All right. So we outside right now. We outside the jail right now. This is the thing. So we've talked to multiple lawyers, called the jail themselves. This is what they got us on. Because one of the charges is rape, they won't let us bond out. So even though you're gonna go to this first appearance, they're gonna tell you everything they're trying to charge you with, and then they're gonna tell you how much your bond amount is. But because rape is one of those charges, there is no bond, and we have to we're gonna have to push that to what was the date? Wednesday for the bond.
We're gonna have to. This lawyer's saying something different.
Okay.
This lawyer's saying
we can basically file for a bond so that they put a bond on you so we can bail you out early. So we can file for that. It's gonna take about a week.
2 weeks. He said about 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks for that process to go through. In between.
Bro, they fucked me over, bro.
Yeah.
This shit, they fucked me over, bro.
Yup. Definitely.
I'm in here. They fucked me over, bro.
Yeah.
This shit, they fucked me over, bro.
Yup. Definitely.
I'm in here.
Because you know what the detectives told us when we was leaving? They're like, okay. So yes, he's under arrest right now. Yes, but don't worry. Tomorrow he's gonna have a hearing, and you'll get the bond amount. Then you can bail him out. You'll get the bond then at the hearing. But they already knew that there was gonna be no bond. They didn't tell us that. They wanted to make us feel good or something.
They're back at the house.
They're at the house. It's me, True, and Loyal.
I'm not gonna get another phone call. No, I can link them into this call right here.
Yeah,
we got solution. We got solution.
Hey, yo, y'all gotta hold it the fuck down, bro. They trying to hold me in, bro.
You already know we done been in this situation before. It look a certain type of way in the beginning, but we got you. I got you. I'm gonna make a phone call. Yo, you hear me?
Merge.
Yo, we got three on the phone. Yeah, the calls are merged. Everybody together.
Oh yeah, we all here.
Hey, listen up. We right here. They gonna try to keep me in here, yo. The whole time. We gonna go live. We gonna talk about it. We gonna make some noise.
You got 1,000 people on IG right now on the live.
Yo, listen. Y'all gotta hold me the fuck down. That's a big thing.
Pushing 3.
Y'all gotta make noise like everything y'all can do because you need to fucking hear it. I got 1 minute left.
We got you, my chief.
Pushing 3. I said we got you, my chief.
Talk to Terry, bro.
Pushing 3.
So, you hear me?
Pushing 3. I'm gonna get it done.
To warn people about me? I'm not out here burning bitches. Nature Boy's the one you should be fucking worried about. I ain't out here burning bitches. Never. I'm not. Ever. I'm not out here burning bitches. If you want, the only thing I apologize for is allowing myself to go back to that shit. To where my yoni had to go through the hell again. And not warning people. That nigga out here burning bitches. Straight up burning. And now I'm warning, yes, because we gotta protect our women. We gotta protect our women. We have to. Before you go, remember what I said. I'm not taking it back this time. I've never, and that's another thing I'm gonna clear up, because I'm tired of protecting these niggas. He don't know that I was protecting him when I was with him. But the order that I said I had slept with still remains to be true. What he tried to do is make it a lie, make it seem like I lied about it, say I spread rumors, and I never did. And I protected his ass when I was there. Mind fucked. Feeling guilty about being there and have said what I said and exposed the truth. He made me a liar when I'm not. Thank you for the love. Whoever did that, thank you for the love. He made me out to be a liar. Yes, he burnt me. Niggas burning out niggas out here. Yes. When he was done with me, that shit was not smelling right. When he was done with me, it was not right at all. My shit, I had to tell the women, and he was like, oh, well, and then when I told the women, and this is the last time I'm ever going to talk about my yoni, because I know my yoni's good now, because I'm taking my shit, I'm doing what I need to do, but I would never ride for a nigga like that. I would never, ever. I would never ride for a nigga like that. Nigga out here burning bitches and saying and having them thinking like, oh, it's a normal fucking thing.
No think.
Take to get rid of this bitch. You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. He know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire.